So let's talk about the dangers of chemical pesticides. Like I've always said, that anything that is capable of killing any organism can also kill human being. It's just dependent on the dose, on the dosage. If you have read this book, Silent Spring by Rachel Carson, you will understand how dangerous these chemicals can be to the environment and to humans and animals also. I have a story of a woman who told me that her husband was killed by food poison. She believed that the enemies of her husband killed her husband. But on the other hand, I also came to understand that the late husband used to sell agrochemicals and he was exposed to chemical toxicity. So his level of exposure, because the woman told me that when you enter that shop, that it smells different chemicals. And that now brings me to the negative effect of these chemicals when they are wrongly exposed or when human beings are wrongly exposed to these chemicals. There's what we call biomagnification. There's another thing we call bioaccumulation. Sometimes these chemicals they get to the adipose tissues in the body and stay there. Once they get there, they start accumulating, start multiplying, and before you know what is happening, the chemicals may start having endocrine disruption. They may start disrupting every other system in the body, and diseases that are known and diseases that are not medically known may come out. It has been reported that people who are exposed to chemicals who do not wear protective clothing while spraying have been reported to have fertility issues. It has also been reported that children who were exposed to where chemicals are sprayed had died in the past. In fact, in poultry, when you spray these chemicals that are choky, that have choky smells, and you spray them where poultries, or you spray them in poultry, before you know what is happening, some of these birds will start dying. So chemical toxicity to human and to animals is beyond what we see. And to the environment, some people will just finish spray and the thing gets washed into the water stream and people drink. It has caused poison. That's why gamalin 20 was banned because gamalin 20 kills fish. So all these things they go, not only that they kill the fish, they also kill the plants, that is the phytoplanktons. They also help in killing them. And when they kill them, they disrupt the ecosystem. When we spray chemicals without even understanding what we are spraying, we end up killing the beneficial organisms, the beneficial insects such as bees, the pollinators, the butterflies. And when we do that, people who plant may end up planting without having any pollinator that will help to pollinate. And at the end of the day, there will be no yield. Or even if there are yields, there will be little yield. So I want us to understand that in as much as chemicals are good to be used on plants, on farms, it is also advised that we use them according to recommendations and also to be human, animal, and environmental conscious. Thank you.